Today, let's check out this very rare 1966 Matchless G85CS. Well, welcome to Bader International and Bader Classic Auctions. I'm very proud to offer up this impeccably restored 1966 500cc Matchless G85CS Competition Scrambles. This bike was restored well over 20 years ago by the late Jim Bolingmo. I think I pronounced his last name right. He was based out of Big Bear, California, and since then it's been in a private collection on static display. And apparently they only produced about 150 of these bikes. It was Matchless's last hurrah into the competition scrambles arena, I guess you'd call it. But they were going up against a lot of the two-strokes of the day, and these big four-strokes were just too heavy to compete. So again, with only 150 made, makes this bike very rare, very desirable. Has a cool alloy oil tank, Amal GP carburetor, Lucas magneto. It was a purpose-built GP frame, or scrambler's frame, I shouldn't say GP. Lightweight brake drums in the front. It's alloy in the rear. I believe is off of a G50, or maybe even one of the boy racers, like the 7R. But if you have a serious collection or museum, this would be an outstanding motorcycle and would be a centerpiece for any collection. And being that this bike was restored well over 20 years ago, the old Dunlop is all checked. It's great for display, but if you're even thinking about putting this thing back out in the dirt, which you'd be nuts to, you're definitely going to have to put new rubber on it, and also the Doherty grips need to be replaced because they're split. This beauty is going to be going over our auction block this coming October via BaderClassicAuctions.com. So make sure you go on the website, sign up. It's free, it's easy. And we have a lot of great motorcycles going over the block, so make sure you check them all out. Also, while you're up on YouTube, check out all the rest of our videos. We got a bunch of them up. And also, please subscribe. If you want a chance at buying this beauty, make sure you sign up for the website and sign up for the auction. BaderClassicAuctions.com. Thanks for watching. And I'll tell you, a bike like this, you can't help but just love it. Thanks again.